The Google Pixel 9a has just made an unexpected appearance in a hands-on video leak, confirming much of what we've seen in earlier renders. Although the original video was taken down, it remains visible in a Threads post by Shane Craig, giving us a closer look at the device before its official launch. From what we can see in the video, the Pixel 9 comes the obsidian black color and features a design that leans more toward cost-conscious choices rather than a premium aesthetic. This aligns with previous leaks, which suggested that Google is taking a slightly different approach with the design of its latest budget-friendly phone. At first glance, some might feel a bit let down by the overall look, but Shane Craig has an interesting take on the device. He describes the Pixel 9a as having a Nokia Lumia-like body, which suggests that while it may not have a high-end finish, it could offer a comfortable and easy-to-hold experience due to its plastic build. This could be an advantage for those who prioritize grip and usability over premium materials. One of the most noticeable design changes in the Pixel 9a is its camera bar. Unlike previous Pixel models, which had a more prominent camera bump, this one features a smoother, more integrated look. The camera module is nearly flush with the phone's body, with only a slight ring around the two cameras that protrudes just a little. This subtle shift in design gives the phone a distinctly budget-friendly feel, further reinforcing Google's approach to keeping costs down without sacrificing performance. However, there's one major uncertainty about this leak. It's unclear whether the device shown in the video is a fully functional Pixel 9a or just a dummy unit. Manufacturers often use dummy phones, non-working models designed to showcase the device's design and form factor without revealing its internal specifications. Since Shane Craig doesn't mention this detail in his post, we can't say for sure if this is the real deal. But considering we're only a few weeks away from the expected announcement on March 19, there's a good chance that this could be a final production unit. Now let's talk about what the Pixel 9a is expected to bring to the table in terms of specifications. Following Google's tradition of packing high-end features into a more affordable package, the Pixel 9a is rumored to come with the powerful Tensor G4 chip, 8GB of RAM, and a smooth 120Hz OLED display. Of course, it will also include the signature Pixel software experience, which is a major selling point for fans of the brand. With these specs, it's evident that Google is trying to maintain strong performance while cutting costs in other areas, mainly the phone's body materials. This approach allows the price to stay competitive at around $499, making it an appealing option for those looking for a solid smartphone without breaking the bank. That being said, one potential concern is durability. While the plastic build may enhance grip and comfort, it remains to be seen how well it will hold up against daily wear and tear. Google will need to ensure that this design choice doesn't come at the expense of overall build quality and longevity. With the official announcement expected soon, it won't be long before we get all the details straight from Google. If this leak is anything to go by, the Pixel 9a could be an exciting option for those who want a well-performing phone at an affordable price, even if it means embracing a more budget-conscious design. S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of three exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128GB of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12GB across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256GB as standard, with 512GB available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.